don't want to get off live. Let me know. What do you guys want to do? Should we like play basketball? Should we shoot around? These are bows. Name a country for an edit? What do you mean? Let's go with Brazil. Wait, am I? What does that mean? Or what do you mean by that? Like a car for an edit? Basketball player for an edit? LaMelo Ball. LaMelo Ball, the GOAT. Oh my gosh, my favorite NBA player right now. He's a GOAT. Am I a Swiftie? Hell yeah. Cause she wears high heels, I wear sneakers. Yes, I think it's Chinese food or Taiwanese food, but dude, these noodles low-key aren't it. I wanted to try something different, but nah. I don't know why. I think I'm good like with just the fried rice, honestly. Dolma or pacha? I'm going with pacha. What y'all think about my kitchen setup? Hold on. Wait, what? What? Hold on. Hold on. I just saw a comment saying I was your elementary school friend. And he said something that only my elementary school friend would say. Where is it? Type again. I'm not going to say the name. But it went by so fast. Please. Oh my God, I think one of my old elementary school friends were in here. Because he said something that only my elementary school friend knows. Hold on, guys. Stop talking or stop typing for 1 second. I'm just kidding. But like, I'm trying to find him. Oh, if I see it again. Okay, so my elementary school friend, I'm not going to say his name just in case I see it. But I mean, he said something only I would know. But then if I say it now, everyone's going to say it. So I wouldn't be able to spot him. Damn it. I missed it. Oh well, guys, I'm going to show you my kitchen anyways, but... So, got a nice little setup here. Clearly the tape didn't really hold well on that side, but... Oops. And then, of course, I got my Quiz Moistery. All right, last bite, man. All right, now what I do, guys, what I do after I eat, it's amazing. Oh, wait, hold on, what happened? Wait. What color are your eyes? They're hazel. Hazel, baby. All right, so what I like to do with my food after I eat, I like to leave it on the table for 2 hours, and then I'll clean it up. All right. Let me just gain aura real quick. Let me just lock in real quick. I'm gonna gain aura. Oh, shit, dude. I need that for a Wattis tripod. All right, y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Y'all see a basketball hoop back there? Did I fix the stairs that Anthony broke? Here, hold on. Did I? Did I, guys? You think Anthony's ever gonna freaking fix this? He broke my stairs. He tried stepping on this. He tried stepping on this, man. Dude's a clown. Bro, guys, stop trolling in the chat. Actually, that scared me. Tell me this doesn't look like a horseshoe. Like, I don't know how they look like, but you know the ones that you like throw? Anthony's a freaking doofus, man. All right, watch this, guys. Oh, let me just put this broken piece here. All right, gang, listen, guys, listen. If I make this backwards, first try, obviously I can't freaking edit this to make it seem like it's first try. I need to see a Faze rug edit right after I make this. Here we go. I feel like that really shouldn't count. I really just feel like it shouldn't count because when you really put things into perspective, first tries don't really count for shit. All right, guys, if I make this right here, I need to see a Faze rug edit on my For You page. Here we go. That's good. Oh, shit. All right. Who's behind me? That's probably just the ghost. He usually just likes chilling around here. He's cool, though. He's cool. For real, though. He's like, oh, fuck. I actually heard something. Yo, hold up. I actually heard some shit upstairs. What the hell? Yo. Sorry for my language, guys. Damn. Okay, actually, third time's the charm. What am I doing? I promise, guys, this is my last attempt at this. And if I don't make it, it's totally fine. I just have to accept it. But hey, third time's the charm. This is your boy Faze Rug. And I like to call this the backwards mini hoop shot. Wait, I was in your elementary school. Who said... Stop, bro. Doesn't Unc think he's a little too old for this? What? Old for what? Live or a mini hoop? God. Oh, I have the hiccups. I hate this shit. Guys, it's not hate. It's all jokes. It's funny. I don't mind it. Thank you for defending me, though, but I don't care being called old because, like, everyone gets old, man. I've been on live for a minute, guys. Like, I don't know. Does bro know he got gifted galaxies? I'm sorry, guys. It's so hard for me to keep up. Please don't hate me. Please don't hate me. Yo, what? Someone said, is your hair messed up? I just got a haircut. Is it messed up? Like, or are you trolling too? Okay, since I'm not gonna find my elementary school friend, I saw it earlier. Peaking 40's crazy. I'm sorry. Okay, thank you for the galaxies. I'm so sorry. Like, I genuinely wasn't paying attention. I'm sorry, guys. What's a good, like, stand here? Unky. So I had this friend in elementary school. And back then, since, you know, back in my day, we had house phones. Do you guys have house phones? I don't think so. Did you guys used to have house phones? But pretty much, he would always call my house phone and leave voicemails. And for some reason, he would always, like, sing Baby Bottle Pop. Like, you guys know the commercial to Baby Bottle Pop? It goes like, baby bottle pop, baby bottle pop, baby bottle pop. And for some reason, he would always just call me and leave a voicemail saying baby bottle pop. And my mom would be like, who the hell is this? Like, why is he saying baby bottle pop? But yeah, hope he's good, bro. This was when the dinosaurs were still... Yo! Guys, chill out on me, bro. All right. I'm going to shoot it from here. Y'all can't see, but I'll tell you if I make it. Yeah! Woo! It always happens off camera. Bro, that's so weird. I always do shit off camera, bro. That's so annoying. Oh, well. Guys, does it sound like I'm lying? All right. Well, my room's a mess right now. You know what's crazy, guys? Like, y'all might call me Unc for this. I don't know. But I was so bored last night. Like, it was, I don't know, it was like midnight. I'm not even going to say it, actually. I'm not even going to say it, bro. Because I know I'm just going to get clowned for it. Unc is yapping. What do you want me to do? Sit in silence? I'm not going to say it. Oh my gosh. My bathroom's a mess, dog. Like, I can't even show you guys. My cousin cut your hair before. Who was it? Okay, fine. So last night at midnight, I don't know why I was on TikTok, and then I saw a cleaning TikTok of like someone cleaning their toilet, and it was like genuinely the most satisfying thing I've ever seen. So I just got up and I cleaned like 4 of my toilets around the house, and it was so satisfying. Like, y'all should definitely give it a try. Like, clean that shit, you know? Literally, clean it. Someone said, how you gonna get clowned for that? I don't know. I just feel like this generation, like, just will say anything, bro. Oh, man. Well, it's about that time. It's about that time. I'm gonna end the live. Appreciate you guys, for real. Thank you for the galaxy, Evan. I appreciate it. I'm sorry if I missed anyone's galaxy. I promise I'll do better. I'm actually like new to TikTok live in a sense. I don't really go on live, but this is, it's been consistent. So appreciate you guys. Love y'all always. Keep your head up. I always want to end the live with like a motivational message. So, like I said, tomorrow's a new day. Every day is a new day for you to be great. Go do what you love. If you've been a little scared to kind of take that leap and do what you've been wanting to do, don't be scared. Go for it. Give it a try. You fail, you get right back up, and you do it again. And you keep going. You don't get discouraged. So, love you guys. Appreciate y'all. Have a great rest of your night.